What can chiropractic adjustments do for your body? Chiropractic care isn't some shot-in-the-dark alternative form of treatment that comes with little to no expectations. Many people visit the chiropractor clinic regularly for adjustments and other services. If you aren't one of those people, then maybe you need to know more about the benefits of a chiropractic adjustment. They have been researched, and there is quite a bit of information you might find interesting. Do you have poor posture? Are you worried about posture and spinal alignment as you age? What about osteoporosis? You may feel like a spring chicken right now, but what are you going to feel like in a few years? Your body certainly ages, and the researched medical benefits of chiropractic care might just be what you need. Did you know that your vertebrae can move and shift around? When they aren't in the right places, you can experience pain. All kinds of things can go wrong, but chiropractic care can save the day. Do you feel your muscles tightening up? Maybe you don't just need to see a chiropractor but also a massage therapist. Chiropractic adjustments and care can help with back pain, arthritis, blood pressure, migraines, ear infections and more. One group of people that often seeks out a chiropractor for extra help is pregnant women. Are you currently pregnant? See how a chiropractor can help you. Maybe you have been reading about all the benefits, but you're still not sure. You can always schedule a consultation with the chiropractor to get a feel for what an appointment would be like. You can check out the place, ask questions concerning individual treatments that can help you and more. You might just find your new favorite place to be when it comes to seeking out medical treatment to stay in tip-top shape.